Hello YouTube, future Chris here because past Chris is a dummy and forgot to turn on his microphone and the video came in silent. Duh. So here we have a unboxing video of the Sony STR DH190. And I'm going to do my best to narrate this video as we go through it here. There you just saw me. I had to go in the other room and check the product name because I forgot it, the model number, while I was unboxing. Doesn't really matter now. So here we are. We're getting ready to open the receiver up. Of course, on top, you're going to have standard documentation, warranty information. You're going to have your manual and things of that nature. This is a remote here. This remote is interesting. It really reminds me of an elongated original Roku remote. Very square and fairly compact, but it's not the most comfortable remote to hold. I've certainly felt better. There are no, curvatures for your hand grip on or anything like that. But it's not a terrible remote, and it's nice that it's actually included in a $150 stereo receiver, which is what I paid for it. So that's the remote. Set that aside. Next, I thought that I felt another piece, but I did not, and so I'm going to pull out the unit itself here from the box. Fairly good packaging, just standard styrofoam, nothing too elaborate about it. It wasn't that really nice Kaizen foam, so it's going to come out fairly easily. It, of course, has that smooth plastic sheathing on it, and there is also a piece of paper on top of it, which you will see me remove here in a moment. All right, so we got that unboxed. Get that out of the way. Here it is. There's the piece of paper, just some product information, nothing too important there. This unit is fairly heavy. I believe it weighs close to 20 pounds. And I'm going to take a look first at the rear for you. As you can see, this is just an analog receiver. There's nothing digital on this. There's the front. The front is very plastic. There's no metal on the front there, if I recollect. But the rest of the chassis is a nice aluminum grade metal there. So something to keep in mind. Of course, you don't expect, a complete metal housing in this price range. Even my, $500-600, now $1,000 AV receiver has a plastic front fascia. But yeah, this is really a nice unit. I'm pretty impressed with the build quality of it. It didn't come with much else besides the remote. It did have some batteries and an antenna in the package there. I don't know if I got those out later or not. Right now I'm just kind of checking out the front. One nice thing about this model, it does have a phono input with grounding, so that's really nice to see. You really get a lot for your money here in this price range, and that's pretty cool, I think. Well, I thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry about the post-production voiceover here, but this is what we had to do. And I really wanted to put this one up because I do plan on doing a review of it soon, so stay tuned for that. I thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out Buy Me a Cup of Coffee and my Patreon. Also remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.